¿A dónde podemos tomar? Hello everyone, I am Dionne with Short and Sweet Languages, and I teach Spanish to families who love people, culture, and travel. So this week, I am going to teach you a phrase from our list of travel phrases. And this week's phrase is, where can we take a bus? Where can we take a taxi? So the phrase is, where can we take a blank, right? And what you say is, ¿dónde podemos tomar el taxi? ¿Dónde podemos tomar el autobús? So, ¿dónde means where. Podemos means we can. Where we can, or where can we. Tomar, to take. Un taxi. A taxi, a cab, a bus, un autobús. ¿Dónde podemos tomar un taxi? ¿Dónde podemos tomar un autobús? ¿Dónde podemos tomar un taxi? Got it? Okay, that was easy. So now you can do that. I really hope you're practicing and memorizing these phrases so you can, and you know what? Even if you know where to take the taxi, just ask it anyway, just so you can practice and you can say that you have had a conversation in Spanish with a native. So they'll answer and then you say, gracias. And that's it. You've had your first Spanish conversation. So, one more time. ¿Dónde podemos tomar un taxi? ¿Dónde podemos tomar un autobús? Very good. Okay, until next week, and I will continue with the phrases from our travel list, which you can get at the end of the video. And I will see you next week. Nos vemos. Bye. Guys, thank you so much for learning with me today. And if you want that list of essential phrases in Spanish to know when going to a Spanish-speaking country, make sure you click on the link. It's either here or there, around. Somewhere on the screen is that button where you click, you go to my website. Okay, thanks. Have a great week. Bye.